आमची एकदम फ्रेंडशिप होती क्लोज. आणि तिने सडनली असं विचारल्यावर मी एकदम शॉकमध्ये होतो. ती खूप समजून घ्यायची मला. शी chose to, reach out to me and, express her feelings. So that was the best thing about her.
He's very caring, very, very caring, and he understands me so well. Without even me telling him anything, he understands. And he loves me so much. So.